everybody. So we are currently getting ready for the show. I'm here with my sister.
Hi.
And
we're so excited.
Yeah, we're so excited, and this is night 2 of MetLife, and then we're also going to tomorrow night, which is night 3. So yeah, it's supposed to rain tonight. It'll be fine. So yeah, we're just getting ready, and I will see you guys once we're all ready for the show. So we are on our way to the stadium now. We're all ready. We have matching red lipstick, sparkly red lipstick I should say. So I will see you guys once we get to the stadium. We're on the train to MetLife. So we are in our seats right now. How do you feel? Are you ready?
I love the stage. I'm obsessed.
It's so cool.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's so cool. We're a little high up, but it's fine because then we can see everything. So
We
it'll
can
be
see
great.
all of it.
Yeah, I'm so excited. For our Saturday night church service. We're about to get taken to church and I'm so excited.
Like a
Taylor's singing Queen! She's singing Queen! She's singing Queen! Came pouring down when I was drowning. That's when I could finally breathe. By morning, gone was any trace of you. I think I am finally clean. What the fuck is Taylor doing? So, the show's over. It's currently
soaking wet.
Yeah, it's 1:30 a.m. We're walking back to my sister's apartment.
My shoes are soaked, my jeans are soaked, my body's pretty soaked.
Just everything.
I'm so tired and hungry, but you know what? It doesn't matter because we saw Taylor Swift tonight and it was so good.
Yeah, it was so good. And she sang Clean, which was such a surprise song.
Oh my gosh, right before Long Live.
Yeah, it was so
my
cool.
gosh.
But I will see you guys for night 2 of Rep Tour MetLife that's happening tomorrow.
Night 3.
Night 3. Well,
Our
night
night
2.
two.
Night 2 for us, but night 3 for the
world.
The world, yeah. Alright, so we are here at the stadium and it is pouring down rain already and the show hasn't even started, so I have my poncho on. Charlie's about to come on, so we're walking to our seats and I'm so excited.
We're 200 rows closer today.
Yeah, we're in the 100s this time, so it'll be fun, so yeah. amazing. She sang Enchanted, and
He loves it.
wow. It was his first time going to Taylor.